friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to add box shadow to a video in Elementor. Right now, as you can see, I'm editing a web page of my website using Elementor, and here we are going to click on the plus icon in the middle of the screen to create a new section. And when we click on it, it asks us about the layout we want, whether we want flex box or grid. Here I'm going to select grid, and in the structure I'm going to select the first one, the 1 row and 2 column structure. You can select as per your requirement. Right now we are going to place a video in the first column of this section, and for placing a video widget into the first column, you just need to move your cursor over the black header line on top and click on add element, the plus icon, and here you just need to search for video widget, and then you can simply drag and drop this video widget into the first column. Okay, now in the left side toolbar there are 3 types of settings. The first one is content, the second one is style, and the third one is advanced. Right now we are into the content setting, and here it is asking us about the YouTube video link. You can simply paste your YouTube video link. Okay, so I have already copied the YouTube video link. I have simply pasted it over here. Now you need to go to the advanced setting, and in the advanced setting you need to scroll down and you need to open the border setting. Okay, and in the border you will find an option of box shadow, and here you can simply click on pen option in the front of box shadow, and here you can also select the color of your shadow. Okay, for example, I just want shadow to be of red color. I can also increase the transparency of my shadow. You can also change the color from here, from the color palette itself. And as you can see right now, the border box shadow is 00. You can increase it, right? Okay, it's done. You can also increase the blurriness, and you can also increase the spread, right? So in this way you can simply add a box shadow to your video in Elementor. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, I have mentioned my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials. And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I have mentioned my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.